ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। ओम श्री महालक्ष्मे नमः। ओम श्री विष्णुवे नमः। Hello friends, Namaskar. We welcome you to our channel Shubh Labh Vedic Astro. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic, that is how to attract health, wealth, prosperity, mental peace and stability in our lives. We are going to discuss this in the context of very ancient Indian Vedic culture. Friends, this presentation of 5 minutes can change your life, so kindly watch this video till the end. In old Indian culture, which is also known as Sanatan culture, the Devi Lakshmi is considered to be the goddess of wealth and prosperity. Her husband, that is Bhagwan Shri Hari Vishnu or Lord Shri Vishnu, is considered to be the operator of this universe, who is the giver of all kinds of health, wealth, prosperity, and peace in our life. Moreover, Bhagwan Shri Ganesh or Lord Shri Ganesh, in the form of a son of goddess Lakshmi, is considered to be the destroyer of all kinds of obstacles, hurdles, and big problems in our lives. To attract the attention and blessings of these powers, old Vedic mantras are enchanted in a particular specialized way to charge a yantra. Moreover, if these mantras are enchanted in a particular auspicious time, then it becomes many times more powerful. For such kind of special worships, some auspicious times have been given in the Shastras or old holy books, which are mainly festivals of Dashera, Dhanteras, Diwali, Akshaya Tritiya and Shri Krishna Janmashtami. At Shubh Labh Vedic Astro Consultancy Services, we prepare special yantras in these auspicious times or muhurtas. Hence, we will be also preparing such special yantras this year, but in a limited number. If you want us to prepare one special yantra for you also, then you can contact us on the numbers given below. We will provide you a special Abhimantrit or charged yantra. Also, we will be providing you a personalized guidance on the basis of your horoscope. Moreover, friends, you can return this yantra within 1 year on 50% money back basis. However, no one had returned it so far because it is really very effective. Friends, our team will remain in touch with you. You can contact us, or if you want to call us, then kindly call us from your original number, because it is possible that we may not be able to pick your call at a particular time. But if you call from your original number, our team will be calling you back. Friends, we want to clear one more thing, that these processes are really very helpful, but for those persons only who are ready to work hard, lead a simple life based upon the principles, and who want to earn money through ethical ways and means. These processes are not helpful and beneficial for those persons who are not ready to do good karmas, or who want to earn money from unethical ways and means. So friends, if you want to get our help, then we welcome you. You can contact us. We will be trying hard to fulfill your expectations Thank you, friends. Have a nice time. God bless you all.